China's animal husbandry is in a critical period of transformation. Pig farm safety, market fluctuation, breeding costs, production efficiency are important factors affecting the development of the Nanshang intelligent pig farm solutions, intelligent production, network data management, online service, building intelligent farming ecology, realizing efficient management, opening a new era of intelligent pig farming, precision feeding system, welfare group feeding for gestating, individualized precision, free feeding for shows, healthier mother body, prolonging the service life of precision feeding for nursing improve sows feed intake and milk production, healthier piglets and better sows body condition, intelligent porridge feeding for nursery pig, helps piglets through weaning, improves piglet health, reduces fattening meat ratio, improves feed conversion and growth rate, rating pig performance measurement, collecting core data of pig. It establishes pig files, selects excellent, improves the efficiency of the whole, helps pig farms reduce costs and pig farm safety and epidemic, separation of people, vehicles and goods, multi-level gate, using AI camera algorithm analysis to guard the financial security and biosecurity of, and make timely warning of accidents rooted in the needs of the pig farming industry. Facing the future of digital, we will continue to take the integrated services of intelligence, focus on the customer, advance with the times, output even better intelligent solutions.